Hello guys, meet my cutie pie. He is 1 month old and see how beautiful he is. Wow, he has a lovely color. His mother is white and his father is grey, and he is having the combination of both the color white and grey. So beautiful, I love this. Wow, and the second baby is here. Wow, this is the second one. Same color, same texture. Wow. So I'm going to hand tame these two budgies. Let's see how I will do this. But yeah, see, it's coming to sit near the second baby. Really, they are enjoying a lot and beautiful color. Wow. Hope you people will enjoy this. Oh my god. And now he is confident that I can walk. Yeah. Yes. His feather is fully grown, and I think in a week or in week or 2 week he will develop all his feather, and he will try to fly. But let's see. Now he is recognizing, like, I cannot harm him at least. So yeah, and he is biting when I'm touching. See, he is biting, and when I will roll my finger up, he will bite. Wow, so nice color. Two babies. I think they'll her mother laid 6 egg, and in 6 uh, only 2 were survive, and yeah, they are very lovely, right? This small one is very cutie pie, and he knows me very well, but this one is very naughty. Come, up, up, up. Yeah, he's not coming. He's in, oh my god, he's typing. See. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.